A Sunday in 1975. The magic of the simple life. The memory. Hello. My name is Mary. Today, I am 70 years old. I sit in my favorite chair. I look at an old photo. The photo is black and white. In the photo, I am 20 years old. It is a Sunday in 1975. Close your eyes. Come with me to the year 1975. In 1975, the world was different. The world was slow. We did not have the internet. We did not have cell phones. We did not have computers. We had something better. We had time. We had people. We had silence. The Sunday morning. It is 8:00 a.m. on a Sunday morning in 1975. I wake up. I do not check my phone. Why? Because there is no phone. I look at the window. The sun is yellow and warm. I hear a sound. It is a beautiful sound. It is my father. He is in the living room. He has a record player. A record player is a big machine for music. He takes a vinyl record. The record is black and round. He puts the record on the machine. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Then the music starts. It is Frank Sinatra. The voice is like velvet. My father smiles. He loves music. He does not have Spotify. He has 10 records, but he loves every record. He listens to the music with his heart. I go to the kitchen. The smell is delicious. My mother is there. She is making fresh coffee. The coffee is hot. The smell fills the house. She is also making bread. In 1975, we did not buy everything at the supermarket. We made things with our hands. Good morning, Mary, my mother says. She gives me a kiss. Her hands have flour. She is happy. The magic of no technology. In the morning, I sit on the sofa. I read a book. The book is made of paper. I like the smell of paper. My brother John is on the floor. He is playing with wooden cars. He is not watching YouTube. He is using his imagination. His car is red. He says, "Vroom, vroom." He is a pilot. He is a driver. He is happy with one wooden car. Sometimes the house is silent. Silence is good. In 1975, silence was our friend. We could think. We could dream. Today the world is very loud. But in 1975, Sunday was a quiet day. At 11:00 a.m., the telephone rings. The telephone is on the wall. It has a long cord. It is a heavy black telephone. My mother answers. Hello. Oh, hello, Grandma. Grandma lives in another city. We don't see her on a screen. We only hear her voice. Her voice is far away, but her love is near. We talk for 5 minutes. Long-distance calls are expensive. Every word is important. We say, I love you. I miss you. See you soon. The family lunch. Now it is 1:00 p.m. It is time for lunch. This is the best part of Sunday. In the dining room, there is a big wooden table. My father sits at the head of the table. My mother, my brother, and I sit together. My uncle and my aunt come to our house. My cousins come too. There are 10 people at the table. The table is full of food. There is chicken, there are potatoes, and there is a big salad. But look at the table. What do you see? You see faces. You see eyes. You see smiles. What do you not see? You do not see phones. No one is taking a photo of the food. No one is texting. No one is looking down. We look at each other. We talk. How was your week, John? The garden is beautiful, Anna. This chicken is excellent. We laugh. We tell stories. We listen. When person talks, the other people listen. This is a gift. Attention is a gift. In 1975, we gave this gift every Sunday. The afternoon walk. After lunch, we are full and happy. It is 4:00 p.m. Let's go to the park, my father says. We put on our shoes. My shoes are brown leather. My brother has a blue shirt. We walk to the park. We do not use the car. We want to walk. In the park, there are many families. Children are running. Old men are playing chess on the benches. People are sitting on the grass. I see my friend Susan. I don't send a message to Susan. I see her and I wave my hand. Hi, Susan. We sit under a big tree. We talk about our dreams. I want to be a teacher. She wants to travel the world. The wind is cold, but our hearts are warm. There is no selfie. There is no Instagram. The memory is in our minds. We look at the lake. The water is blue. The birds are singing. We stay there for 2 hours. We are not in a hurry. Why be in a hurry? Life is beautiful here. The evening and the radio. The sun goes down. It is 7:00 p.m. We go back home. The house is cozy. My mother turns on the small lamp. The light is soft. We have tea. At night, we listen to the radio. The radio is a brown box. We hear the news. We hear a radio soap opera. We use our ears to see the story. We imagine the characters. We imagine the places. I go to my bedroom. I look at the stars through the window. I feel safe. I feel loved. I don't know the future. I don't know about the internet. I only know that today was a good day. Back to the present. I open my eyes. It is 2026 now. I am in my chair. I have a smartphone in my hand. It is a small computer. It is very fast. I can see my grandson in Japan on a screen. That is magic. But sometimes I miss 1975. I miss the silence. I miss the slow coffee. I miss the long letters. I miss the eyes of people at the table. Technology is good, but people are better. If you are 50, 60, or 70 years old, you remember. You remember the vinyl records. You remember the heavy phones. You remember the slow Sundays. Do not be sad. Be happy. We have these memories. These memories are our treasure. Thank you for listening to my story.